Hello grade 4s, ndibuyile ke with the third method endiyisebenzisayo to teach division. So the third and the last method that we are going to do with division, I call it the tally method. Ne? So le method uzayibona into yoba yona ithini ilula, and ndiye ndithi abantwana bam ke bayisebenzise to check their answers, to double check quickly ecaleni into yoba ingaba ndibale right na kwi-breaking down yam, ingaba ndibale right na kwi-long division yam, ne? But I also accept it xa ubala ngayo i-tally method, because it is also one of the methods, that endiyifundisileyo eklasini yam. So nayo mbothatha ipensile yakho, mbothatha ipeni yakho, incwadi yakho, uba uyaqonda into yoba i-maths yi-subject endixakayo, i-division andiyi-understandi, nantsi imethodi ke eza kulungela wena uba uyazazi into yoba awubali kakuhle phaa koo-plus nakoo-minus nakoo-times nakoobani, nantsi tally method iza kusebenzela. Right, so the next method that I use eklasini yam, this method I should mention was kind of a method that I used for intervention for those learners that are really weak in maths, ne? Because this is probably the easiest method that one can actually introduce kubantwana. So I call it the tally method. I'm not sure what it's called, but eklasini yam we call it the tally method, ne? Still working with 3-digit by 1 digit. So masithi 564 divided by 6, ne? Now I'm going to have the columns up, ne? I'm going to have 3 columns because I'm working with a 3-digit number, ne? 1 column for 5, 1 column for 6, and another column for 4, ne? So how many 6s go into 5? None, ne? So we put a dot there. Then 5, we carry it over to the side. Sibe 56. Then we ask ourselves, how many 6s do we get ku 56? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let me rather use the tally method. Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Make sure it's 6. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56, ne? 55, 56, ne? How many 6s did we get? 56. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. Kwakho i-remainder engubani? I-remainder engu-2. La 2 ngulo sinzisa. Yaphela. Ne? Then we ask ourselves, how many 6s do we get ku 24? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many 6s? I get 4 6s ku 24. And that is how we do the tally method eklasini yam. Okay, so let's do another example. The tele method. 685 divided by 6. Ne? 3 columns zethu, because we are working with 3 digit by 1 digit. 6, 8, 5. Say one. Right. So, siyabuza ke ngoku, how many 6s go into 6? 1. Siyayazi mos ne? For the sake of calculating, masabani. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many 6s? Only 1. There we go. And it. How many 6s do we get to 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. You see? So, umfumanela 6, you put it in one group. And then, uqale omnye of each upper siphele kubani? Ku-2. But sifikile kubani? Ku-8. Nangona u-6 wethu engaphelelanga. Net ufike kwelinani, you stop. Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simfumene u-6 wethu. Siqale enye. 7. U-8. That means I need to stop. Ne? La 2 obangaphi? Uyi-1. Bale pha. La 2 uyintoni? Uyi-remainder. Uyangaphaya. Bengu-25. How many 6s do we get ku-25? Siyaphinda sabala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yabo? 25 ufike xa sengiqala u-6 wesi olandelayo. Andithi? So how many 6s did we get ku-25? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4. Le yokugqibela ke ngoku remainder. Le siyibhalayo apha with a remainder of 1. That is our answer. Tyhini na bethunana, hayibo, ayilulanga na i-tele method. I hope uyibonile into yoba i-tele method yeyona method kwezi 3 ezitheni ezilula, and yiloo nto endiyigcinele for the last lesson, ne? So ndicela ke ngoku kule activity undibalele nge-tele method. I will use the same numbers bendizisebenzisile kula activity ye-long division. Ndifuna ujonge into yoba ubale right na ke long division yakho. So this brings us to the end of lessons division yethu. Tomorrow I will focus on the next topic, ne? So stay tuned, and thank you so much for your support. Bye.